what's up, it's your girl. I'm back with another freaking video. My voice kind of raspy because I had tree count 4 days in a row. My voice is done for, so don't mind it. I might do a voiceover, I don't know. But today I'll be doing a recipe from this cookbook my cousin gave me. Shout out to her, Triple. Eat what you love every day. It's really a low-fat, low-calorie recipe book, but we really don't have that here. So I'm gonna try to substitute the stuff with what I have and still mock the recipes as best as I can. Today, I will be making a Starbucks style blended strawberries and cream frappe. I'm gonna take a picture of the page and insert it right here. Yeah, so if y'all like to test this recipe off yourself, there you go. That's the instructions and everything. Yeah, keep on watching. Okay, first I'm gonna take 1/4 cup of half and half and put it in the blender. Now I'm gonna put 1/2 cup, 4 ounces of almond milk into this blender, but it's really supposed to be low-fat milk, but I don't drink regular milk, so yeah. You're supposed to put 3/4 cups of frozen strawberries in there. I just put a whole cup because I want it to taste like strawberries. It says 6 large frozen strawberries should be enough, so yeah. Next it says blend this before you put ice in. Next it says add 1/2 cup of ice. I think I put more than 1/2. Okay, there you go. So I'm gonna add it. Then it says blend high. I forgot to add the sugar. It's 3 tablespoons of sugar. Hey, I blended it. I think that should be enough. Okay guys, I have enough left in here. I'm gonna let them taste it. So I'm gonna taste it first. I put it in this glass. Yeah. It tastes like a strawberry milkshake, but lighter, like a smoothie texture. It's not thick though. It's good. And if you use the actual ingredients, I'm pretty sure it'd be good, and extra healthy. I'm gonna let the house taste it and get their opinions on it. So yeah. Okay guys, this is a Starbucks style blended strawberry cream frappe. I made it. So taste it. Y'all can drink it now. It's rated 1 through 10. Huh? He said a 9. He said it's good, guys. 8. So 8. It's an 8, TJ?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you guys. If it's enough, I'll make y'all some more. Do y'all want one? Okay.
Yeah.
Go sit back down. Thank you guys. Next is my mom and grandma. Okay, my mom and grandma finna try it. They don't want to be on camera. So, I'm gonna just let y'all hear what they say. Grandma finna taste it first.
Never.
Oh, never mind. My mama finna taste it first. My grandma just drank it. My mama just drank it.
You like it?
What's in it? It's not bad. It tastes like a strawberry milkshake.
That's what I said.
I like strawberry.
My grandma's sipping it.
To me, it tastes like a pudding that just done dissolved.
Yeah, it tastes
It's
like
very
that.
good.
It's good.
Like a melted ice cream milkshake or something like that.
Would y'all make it again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
TJ. Yeah, I would make it. It's good.
Okay. So the house said it's good.
Drink it, just drink it.
I'll be back when I'm done drinking mine. So yeah. Alright y'all, that's it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. If you enjoyed this type of video, comment down below and I'll make this a series.
But it's for your girl, but it's world, but it's chain, but it's